Yeah, may say very good morning to each and everyone. And I, on behalf of the HUNGPUNG Social and Cultural Committee, would like to welcome each and everyone who have gathered here. First of all, it gives me a very, he wholeheartedly agreed when we approach for this program. So I, on behalf of the village, would like to thank you. Jeda Ali ring pasada aksi sarwang pang pemi seyarui. And along with that, I, on behalf of the organizing committee, once again, would like to thank and appreciate our guest of honor, Sri Artisan Aponmai. Even if he's very busy, he's giving a time for us, coming and witnessing the
honor to come on the stage.
Bamaktada, Aikoigi, Honorable Chairman, Azaibung Dipu, Mahakusuyam Gamkailata Natakatsari, Adekasi organizing audience meamda, Aiginuaiba Ponduksari, Aiwayam Ngangwe, Aikoi Ozagi Matamai Lauzeroge Yam Nungai Masigumba program Pangtok Paibasi. Our names comes from our ancestors. Asumay na tauba, aikoigi luingay ni, sida irip si LUIRA PHANIT. May celebration tauba si legacy thamba si aikoi. Let us continue the legacy. Adaga, let us join our hands together. Aikoi haujik ti Chandrayaan 3 moon da ka hre, Mars da plot line hre. And where are we heading now? Aikoi Mamang Taraga, Jatsi, Maramdi, Queen Naga Singsi, Yamna Tauna Leba, Wakan Jauba, Wakan Sengba, missing ni. We were headhunters, but now we became a soul hunters. Shogi, Wapau Sandok Padasu, Equina Mang Taraga Chatlibani. And if God opens the door for us, no one can. Adaga Ngasai, I Heglapo Matamda, I met some women leaders. Adu Ngasi, I Nasida Lepi Vasi. Aikoigi Oza Dipuna sida laiba chief na sida leaders mayam phami basi mama magi nupi support tawbadagini aduna women empowerment is very important aduna ngasi program sida ai hek laga ngasi women society gi leaders sing na blessing khra yam lawgani aduna moi gi women gi golden jubilee le haye aduna moi gi damak tai 5 lakhs pbge Adaga organizing committee ki 50,000 and then youth ki 50,000 aina pizage. Adana ayamu hanaizage woman golden jubilee ki damakta no damakta 5 lakhs. Adaga youth singi 5 lakhs organizing committee ki 50,000. 50,000 hai bane ko 5 lakhs to ting sai gine. Adaga ai handak si Ishoran Chanbiradi 2024 Lok Sabha 18 Lok Sabha ge election da BJP adum loisilage ko
Ahi singara kana ikla ana countries kuwong hangpanga da shini 57th countries li walaga last hazat gahai miya kana chiwangai na arihi ana adam hi chala kai na
never grow. The beauty for all. Never grow never grow, never grow in the land where we'll never grow. When our work here is done and the life crown is won and the troubles and trials are over, all our sorrows will end and our voices will blend with the loved ones we're gone on before. Never grow, never grow in a land where never grow, never grow in a land where we'll never grow. Never grow, never grow in a land where we'll never grow. We will never grow old. Adonai koi ishor buthajasi. Life is meeting and departing. There is a meeting place called heaven for those who accept Christ. But there is a departing place called hell for those who reject Christ. Adonai ishor bu lausinsi adaga Nagaland for Christ. Haibadi koi Jisu lausillaga koi mamang tharaga chatsi adaga let us be the example to the non-believers. Thank you so much. Koi chief su lakpiu, kun gi chief lakpiu, aigi koi gi traditional gi, oina give ama pizege, somda kabio.
Ramuya bunga. Ramuya bunga.
Koi gi liang mai, koi zalenong gi West Coast ni, adunai koi gi HUNGPUNG gi ningthau na. Adam ningsing na ngai ai present tauzage.
Before the chief case and the case of honors get down, well, I request the chief case and our village head to please give out the presentation. Token of love to our case of honor. Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Husa. Also to the chief case, the Husa also would like to Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Some technical issues have happened, so we will not have these Hawaiian guitars from T.S. Shimrisa. So again, I request, sir, our chief case, to take your time for the speech.
Sau cái chartin sinh được lấy mà mang lý sinh được lấy bình china khăn đục lý mà thấy thú cái đó mà sinh bị khvai xả là cái shik khang bị khvai bị quay sát lấy.
Thank you so much, John Sui, after a long time. And all the family faces, all friends of the village, my brother Alishan, my son Esjo Ukrul, and Amai Somtai, Michael, Ravinj, all the dignitaries who are with us here in our midst. I wa atopa hajar roy adubu ay koi nagagi se ay koi nagagi future hang tori se. It's all if we keep our culture intact. Ay koi asigumba legacy for father sing na ngasai brother Alishan na haibaguma to adubu original di manghan da bida we should try to improvise it also akoi matam ge kaino to buse adana hoji akoi Naga society se we tend to focus on our differences as an theory of British gi matam ge akoi bu thugai raga akoi bu rasniti paiba singna natraga administration paiba singna rule toriba singsina this is really akoi se akoi gi struggle gi matam naga gi struggle gi maram su akoi se haiba ki ba kum leiba. Now, when it is Constitution has allowed us, why should we be afraid? 1920s the Hepos Ajonang Mokoina Ningtha Tamagi Save Rule Gi British Makhada Leroin and Torak Habit Ki but missing lay Ki Ganu. The Modi government is talking to them. The dialogue is still going on, the negotiation is still going on. Privado Koi Ningsing Bangam Daba Umba Kiba Kumba Kichet Pakumba Tobi Ganu. Let's all put our heads together. Akoi gi naga issue se solve tauningai. Akoi gi hausi negotiate toriba leaders sing. Akoi gi political leaders sing. Akoi praja sing. Akoi issue bu phajana akoi support toraga. Akoi some amicable solution akoi phangningai in our generation, in our time. Aduna akoi yam fortunate oina akoi harauna issue bu thaganingai. Chance phangningai akoi phajana mi miam hona minasi haibase I appeal to ningi and at the same time of good leadership under headman accommodative toba inclusiveness ama lakpa adugumba gi mi miam lairaba poor rich che divide to the bida khunse phajana leiminaba gi asigumba unity se leibani haibase ai nokoi bu appreciation Haining bani and one thing akoi especially the youth akoi youth sing se akoi ahan lamanda respect toba akoi naga gi culture ni akoi leader sing akoi gi damakta sacrifice to khiba sing to gratitude piba respect piba akoi gi naga gi nature ni ahan laman bu akoi usit taba khot taba adugumba tawbase akoi naga gi youth ki culture natte akoi ipa imabu loving your parents asi akoi naga gi nature ni youth especially the youth love your parents when you have the opportunity when they are with you as the saying goes charity begins at home. Mapa mama bu nungsi dabana magi jati bu kya mo nungsi gadragne mapa mama bu nungsi dabamina magi church bu magi pastor dikin bu natra magi headman authority sing bu kram hain usik gadrane adona let's start from the family mapa mama bu nungsi raga hingba asi se ai se pakhang oina lyric tamba khotpa matamda di khangam da mane experience to da bane, but the moment I got married and have a child, angang leirap kanda kun ba matamda mama mapa bo nungsi base, it's the meaning comes deep inside you. Angang nasa hek pamba matamda oh mapa mama se masabo sumuk nungsi bani hai base adum feel to ba touch to ba lay bani. And when you all have time, so my request is, if you want to create a good society, a good community, a good nation, just go back home, love your parents, love your brothers and sisters, then you love your villages, then you love your community, and you love your nation. And at the same time, see, celebration to bogumna, akoi Manipur ge society da, state da, hausi irang lay ribasu, akoi peace agent ama oina, akoi hingminasi. Let's pray for them. Let's tell them, let's appeal them to have a dialogue. Violence will never bring solution. Only sitting across a table and talking to each other. Dialogue to the choice. There is no alternative than having dialogue. So let's be agent of that. Restrain it. Violence thadok patabani. Ado akoy su kanna asigumada hai si violence na kari su apaba pura oy. And atopa issue se later su akoy peace later pao state se I was sum there. It's become it's apathy. Kya lene dene hai ki attitude ne. Akoy peace purak pada akoy se contribute to si akoy society khana ringai da mi hingri ba hai se khana ba se khana han de ngai tur ga lebe se khut pair ga thangat ni si lo chanjar ge. I wish all my brothers and sisters aigi ipa ipu ine sing ima sing isan marup sing akoi hungpung gi khun gi nakoi thabak ngasi LUIRA PHANIT tawraga thabak su ga do matamda yamna fruitful oiba success oiba from different fields. Low suba na phajana suba phajana tawba leiba angang sing thokpa oisnu hana hairaga asida losenjarge. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words of encouragement and the words of compliments. Your presence itself is a blessing for Ukruli Tingum Tralang Tapam Gahai Miakane and the Krili Additional Deputy Commissioner Lasa Saye, Gala Autonomous District Council CEO Lasalaga Atam Sanga Itumabamne or Dram Gatsrami Kaine.
Sewing demonstration from HUNGPUNG committee, which would be followed by maiden dance La Kanganui from Lower HUNGPUNG Public Organization. HUNGPUNG committee na ngaran mi haidle aka ngaran khangran kup hairura da shichangai nashina atam jangkhui mi khwai gahang mi kai. The Tangkhuls are egalitarian society. We, the Tangkhul, celebrate many kind of festivals. But swords, shields, bows, axes, and spades. Culturally, the Tangkhuls are fond of singing, dancing, and festivals. For every season, there is a festival that lasts almost a week. LUIRA PHANIT, the seed sowing festival.
me hayena sam na wisam oh chẳng không khi làm
nó vừa mau à, xí, giờ thì, bây giờ trong xã hội mình tạo nghiệp này,
这嘛那这可能可能
哎呀，哦呀，走，是的，
这阿木给我们家，
什么好事？哎呀，
那里破大梦，
打嘞，没啥我打个心着，呀，你不要套住我嘿，没用别人弄，啊，他别那下噻，
就这写了这，
是的。呀，你这新办的不一样。
啊，我随便住那西边呢，西边了。
哎，阿爸那个车了，这。
阿三他陪我俺干到大可啥空么？
啊，是那个书的，从外头拿这个。
没事没分的，打了门子呀。
哦，没事没付啊，呀，俺们干到头，我们这人旁边的拍了没耶？俺们个心哟，拜。
Activate
哎，你说就。
the defense clothing, utensils, architecture, monumental erections, and memorial setups depict the dexterity in art, which also speaks about the sense of beauty and fitness. One of the
那不，马斯洛夫怎么他那里嘛喽？
Thankful man is Mayong
yeah.
year during auspicious festival events. In such events like LUIRA PHANIT, Itum Thankul Miyurhi, Shana Bongli Kashung La Kahai, Miyur Mijat Akane, Mirat Akane, Shan Koho, Duihi Haglak Kahayel, Bibongle, Shan Gatier.
啊，那么位置太多，你们还收，是吧？ 哎，那我给，哎，嗨，我你看不着他的，哦，我哩一年没死的了，他把我知道没人话喽。我哩一年没要话喽。就像我你看不哩他怎么哩没喽？
当库里喷你，喷到头阿口应该ใช่ดิLUIRA PHANIT you know ไว้ที่ได้คำยอดPHANITเนี่ยPHANITที่จิงกุมเขาวิที่ราชยาวเนี่ยPHANITที่ลี่ลุมเล่าอายุอายางกับที่เด้ตลาดเคยนะพอกสิลุยไต่เถิดพากระเชิดพากระจ่าก็เลยโยลาลีสาโคก็ให้ให้เจอกระซาทิ้งเรื่องของคุณเงินกุมลาของนุยมาเธอก็ถูกเศร้าก็ขนิ่งก็เลยลุยวาดมโหนลาเพ่งก็กระเพงอีกท่าเรียวเงินตราก็สายก็เลยพิการเดียวเนี่ยพอดีที่นี่เอาไว้ยี่ก็ได้คำเดียว
Hello，哎，老先生，我们了จ้า哇，老จ้า